feeling fast, fast, fast. You and last, last, last. Getting gap, gap, gap. Cause we Midwest fast, huh? Feeling fast, fast, fast. You and last, last.
Be careful. Pull forward, I'll just push you forward and then we'll just fire it up. Alright, so that should be fine. Yeah. Excited? First hit. Right, we'll burn up. Yeah. Good? You situated?
Yeah.
It's hard to drive a Corvette, ain't it? Sit on the floor.
Trying to get, like, where I can see over the dash, but I'm not hitting the T-top.
Yeah.
Because my head's like on.
Nope, nope. Now you're apart. You can turn it off if you want. This thing's been recording you the whole time.
I don't know if this will be able to. I might have to lower myself.
You better get it on. If it does anything funky, babe, don't
Just let out.
Just let out.
I
Don't
know.
freak out. Just let out.
When in doubt, let out.
Yeah. You got this. All right.
All right. I love you.
Love you too. Be careful.
I will.
Excited?
Yeah.
Your first hit.
I'm nervous.
How you gonna do a burnout?
So I just hold the button.
Yeah.
Give it gas.
Yep.
Let go of the button.
That's it.
And then I pull up to the line
Yep.
and do the same thing
Yep.
when I want to take off.
Yep. That's it. It's that easy. But you gotta watch the screen. Make sure it doesn't go red.
I'm super
And then-
tall.
Huh? Yeah.
I need to.
If the screen, hey, if you see that screen flash red, shift.
Okay. Shift that red or yellow.
Well, I'd shift to yellow. Try not to see red, just to be on the safe side.
I got you.
All right. I see red, but I can glance over and see that it says, you know, red, 6,800 RPM. I know what we're shifting it at. So, it's a little different for me than it is for you. You good? You situated?
Yeah.
It's hard to drive a Corvette, ain't it? Sit
Well,
on
I'm
the
just
floor.
trying to get like where I can see over the dash, but I'm not hitting the T-tops
Yeah.
because my head's like on the bar.
I'm in their glass.
Yeah. I'm nervous.
Slow down. So, okay, are you on first? All the way? Okay, when you put it on the brake, you gotta let it'll pop. It'll go pop, pop. And then you can let go, okay? But watch the lights, okay? I'm gonna bring you in the, yeah, you're straight. I'm gonna bring you in the first bulb, and then you gotta go to the second bulb. Just barely let off the brake. It's gonna roll in about an inch or two, and you'll hit the bulb, okay? Lights, okay? I'm gonna bring you in the, yeah, you're straight. I'm gonna bring you in the first bulb, and then you gotta go to the second bulb. Just barely let off the brake. It's gonna roll in about an inch or two, and you'll hit the bulb, okay? And then get on the brake. Right there. Now push a button. Now floor it.
Ain't slow.
So what'd you learn?
So how'd I do?
Like, what was your time? Everybody at the starting line saw you get about halfway out there and was like, you lost your car. Like she's gonna keep it. Like, you're never gonna get it back. And I started laughing. You went...
They clocked me?
Yeah.
So I went faster than you did on your gate pass.
You went 810 at 80 miles an hour. So tell me what happened.
It's so different, like being outside of the car.
Yeah, I didn't even record you because I had to. Because babe, you were, he got it, but you were getting on the chip like too early. Like you did perfect if you were gonna bump in, but you wasn't gonna bump in. I didn't tell you how to do it. But that's why I was like, God darn it! Like she's gonna let go of the button too fast before I can even get my phone out. Which I get what you're saying now. Now that I'm out there, I get it. And I was stuck to the track, like trying to get my shoes off, trying to help you. I'm like,
my first pass, and my fiance don't get my video.
Sorry. Oh, he got plenty of video. I think he's gonna make a video for you. That's why he's like following you around. But
I did okay.
Yeah, everybody was like, hey, she did pretty good. I mean, you let go of the gas and the button.
I got nervous.
Yeah, I know.
I got nervous.
But
this is your car. Like, this is your baby. Like.
Everybody was like, you lost your car, bro.
But then once I like got out of it, I was like, okay. And then I realized, all right, like this ain't bad. I can keep going faster. Like I can pick up more speed.
You think so? Yeah, what else? So I think that's what it is.
She needed her booster seat.
Yeah.
Leg extenders.
I don't think she thought I'd let her do it.
That's miles worth $1 million.
Yes.
You shaved off half a second.
Did I?
Yeah, you almost went. Yeah, it went fucking like 7.3 or something. 7.6 at 88. You picked up 8 miles an hour.
Better.
Yeah, way better. I mean, kind of still bogging the line a little bit, but that's just nerves. I was more.
Gab, gab, cause we Midwest fast. Cutlass gon' quick. Hit the nos and dip out making these hits. And that's a green S10. Pops at the wheel, gon' lift the front.